Can an LLC make a charitable donation? Yes, an LLC can make charitable donations, but how the deduction works depends on how the LLC is taxed. In a single member or multi-member LLC taxed as a pass-through entity, the donation does not reduce the LLC's taxable income directly. Instead, the contribution passes through to the members who claim it on their personal tax returns if they itemize deductions. If the LLC elects to be taxed as a C corporation, charitable donations can be deducted at the corporate level, subject to IRS limits, generally up to 10% of taxable income. This makes the deduction more straightforward for LLCs taxed as corporations. Regardless of tax treatment, the donation must be made to a qualified 501c3 organization to be deductible. The short answer is this: yes, LLCs can donate to charities, but whether the deduction applies at the business or personal level depends on the LLC's tax classification. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and guide you on the right tax setup to make charitable giving more effective. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.